Hello guys, welcome to my live session guys. Welcome guys to my live section. How you guys doing today? How you guys doing today? Yesterday was lovely. Thank you guys for attending my live session yesterday. So let's embark on what the financial market have to serve us today, guys. Let's look at what the financial market have to serve us today. Let's look at what the financial market have to serve us today. Let's go to the dollar index to look at what the market's about to do today, guys. Let's look at dollar index. Let's start from the weekly time frame, guys. Let's start from the weekly time frame. If you're joining us, please do to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel and like the live, guys. Like the live and subscribe to the channel. Like the live, guys, and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're joining us. So let's get started, guys. Let's get started. So let's look at the DSY, which is the dollar index. We can see from my weekly time frame, we can see we have the dollar index still remain bullish on the weekly time frame. So long we have this bullish scenario on the weekly time frame, we can't trade against the weekly bias on the dollar index, because we can see we have a clear structure of a bullish trend on the dollar index, which is we have this lower low, then higher low, then higher low, higher low. So this series of higher low indicates a bullish momentum for the dollar index. So long we have this series of higher low, this is a sign of strong bullish momentum for the dollar index. So our job is to look out for more of this buying opportunity. So if you are trading against the trend now and this and price on the weekly time frame have this series of a bullish trend, you are just risking your hard-earned money. If you are selling against this current trend, you are just risking your hard-earned money. So your aim is to look to join the buyers to buy the dollar index. Your aim is to look at the right levels to join the buyers on the dollar index. So let me break out the key level that can trigger the more buyers and the area interest that will also join the buyers on the dollar index. So you can see from the chart now, you can see that I've drawn my zones, which is I draw these zones. So I'm expecting price to react to this level. Then I start looking for my buy to the first target of this level. Then the second level will be this resistance level. So you can see that I'm following the trend. What the trend is saying is what I'm following. I'm not acting on my own assumption, or you get me now. So I'm following what the market is telling you what to do. So your aim as a trader is to follow what the market tells you to do. Follow the instruction. If the market tells you to buy, you buy. So you can see that price are react to that my zone that I plotted for me to join the buys, because we are still remaining in a bullish trend. So let's go to the daily time frame, but we need to see confirm this market if the market will also move to that bullish direction. So how do we confirm this particular trend? We can go to our monthly time frame to confirm if the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame are in line, because if they are in line, it will make the market move very fast to your direction. But if they are not in line, the market will give you stress. So let's go to the daily time frame. If you want to learn how to analyze the weekly time frame to confirm if the weekly and the monthly align, you can book my one-on-one mentorship. The link is in the description below. So you can see on the daily time frame, you can see we have price already creating. We have this double bottom which started the new trend. So anytime you see a double bottom on your chart, know that there's a new phase of trend wants to happen, a new movement of price want to buy. Once you see a double bottom, if it's at the top, it's a time for what? It's a sign that new buyers want to, it's a sign that sellers want to take place. If it's at the bottom, it's a sign that buyers want to take charge. So you can see after we have this double bottom, you can see that price break above the neck of the double bottom, which confirm the bullish momentum for the dollar index to start pushing higher and higher. So you can see now the double bottom signifies the shift, the bullish move for the dollar index. So your aim as a trader is to look out for the turning point to join the trend of the market, the current trend, because you need to join the trend. Don't trade against the trend, join the trend of the market. So the dollar index now is, after breaking the neck, we can see that the price started to create what? Series of higher low, which trigger the bullish momentum that we are currently experiencing on the dollar index. So what do we expect next on the dollar index? Now we have this higher high, then a lower high, and a lower high. So, and currently we are on what? On this double bottom here again. So long we have a double bottom here again, this is a sign of there's a shift of price about to happen. This price want to change what? Direction to what? To uptrend. So you can see that this is a sign, or the sign is already coming up for price to what? To change direction to what? To uptrend. So all we have to do is to wait for what? For price to break above this level, then wait for retest, then we start looking for more buys of the dollar index. Once you see price break this neck on the dollar index, look out for your more buying opportunity on the dollar index. Look out for more buying opportunity on the dollar index. So long the dollar index is telling us that I want to buy this week and coming week. So our aim to look out for more buys from the dollar index. So let's go to our next pair, which is, I usually trade the major currency pairs. So let's go to our first pair, which is the pounds USD. Let's start the analysis from the weekly time frame. So on my weekly time frame, the pounds USD on the weekly time frame, you can see we have a very clear picture of a sideways trend on the pounds USD on the weekly time frame. So long we have this clear picture of a sideways trend on the weekly time frame, our aim is to look out for the buying at the top and selling, buying at the bottom and selling at the top. So that is what we have to look out for, because once you're in a consolidation market, your aim, if you're in a consolidation market, is to look out for to buy at the top, sell. If price is on a consolidation market, your aim is to what? To buy at the bottom, sell at the top. So, and that is what we are currently planning to do on the USDJPY. Just that for this one, I don't trade trendy, I don't trade a sideways market, but I will advise you to buy at the bottom and sell at the top if you are having a ranging market condition. So that is how to deal with a ranging market condition. So now we don't have a clear direction for this, so we have to look out for another pair. So let's look at the Euro USD. I'm currently selling the Euro USD. I'm currently in profit, but not that much. So let's look at the Euro USD. Why are we selling the Euro USD, guys? We are selling Euro USD because you can see from the daily time frame, you can see we have this higher high, then a lower high, and this series of lower highs indicates bearish trend for the Euro USD. So now we have this bearish trend on Euro USD. We cannot trade against the trend of the market on Euro USD. All we have to do is this. We need to wait for price to come from toward a resistance level for us to join the sales on Euro USD. That is what I just did now. So I waited for price to come to my area of interest. Then I joined the sellers for me to sell this Euro USD to this, with my first target at this level and my second target at this area. So this is my target for Euro USD. So my first target will be the 1.14308. Then my second target will be 1.10727. So this will be my target for the Euro USD because I'm currently buying the Euro USD. So let's look at the daily time frame of Euro USD. We are supposed to confirm this particular trend from the monthly chart, but I don't need to confirm it just to reduce stress. But if you want to learn how to confirm your trend from after getting your, if you want to learn how to confirm your market direction, you can book one-on-one mentorship. The link is in the description below. So on my daily time frame, you can see we have a double top structure already building up on Euro USD. We have the double top structure already. So all we need now, we need price to break the neck of the Euro USD for us to see is add another selling position on Euro USD. So we need a break of this neck for us to add another selling position on Euro USD. So once we see the break of price below this level, we'll be adding another selling position on the Euro USD. So expect more sales from Euro USD to the downside, guys. Expect more sales because the higher time frame is telling us already that we have to look out for more sales from the Euro USD. So look out for more sales, guys, for Euro USD, especially when price break below the neck of this double top. So look out for your strong sales once you see price below this neck of the double top. So let's look at the next pair. Let's look at the next pair, which is the Australia USD. So I'm currently trading Australia USD also. I said Australia USD from this. I sold the pair from this particular support level. So I sold around this area this morning with my stop loss above this level. If you're a price action trader, you understand the reason why I'm selling this Australia USD. So if you want to get access to learn how to analyze the chart properly, you can book my one-on-one session. The link is in the description below. You can see from my chart on the weekly time frame, you can see we have a bullish structure for Australia USD. You can see we have this bullish structure. We have this lower low and a series of higher low, then higher low. So this higher low signify a bullish structure for the Australia USD. So after the bullish structure, we now have this higher high and a lower high, then a lower high. So this series of lower high signify a reversal trend. So we are currently trending the reversal trend of Australia USD on the weekly time frame. But once we see price break below this higher low, this will trigger a shift of trend for Australia USD to the downside. So you get me now. So this is, once we see the break, this will trigger the shift of Australia USD to the downside. So this is why we are selling the Australia USD, because on the weekly type of the Australia USD, you can see we have series of higher low, guys. You can see we have series of higher low, which indicate is selling momentum for the Australia USD. So long we have this selling momentum, our aim is to look at for more sales on Australia USD. We can see currently we are selling from this level of interest. We are selling from this area of interest. So we have to sell from this particular level, guys. We have to sell from this particular level. So this is our area of interest for us to sell the Australia USD to the downside. So our first target will be this support level here. Then a break of this support will trigger more sell for the Australia USD to the downside. So if you are just joining us, guys, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So let's look at the daily time frame of the Australia USD, guys. Let me close my window. The rain is heavy here. Let me close my window. So let's continue. Let's continue. So you can see that price is currently on that weekly zone I just draw, which is the weekly area of interest I just draw on my chart. You can see that price is currently at that particular level. So we now have a confirmation signals for us to sell the Australia USD to the downside. So this is why we are selling Australia USD currently now. This is why we are selling Australia USD, because we have a confirmation for us to sell Australia USD from this weekly level. So we are selling with our first target to this weekly support area. So, and a break of this structure, this is a major structural level. This level is a major structural level. Once we see price break below this level, we see more sales for the Australia USD to the downside. So this is what we're expecting from the Australia USD. So let's look at USDJPY. Now see, guys, USDJPY, let's look at the weekly time frame. USDJPY is currently on a resistance level. But you can see that we still have a strong momentum for bullish trend, guys. We have strong momentum for bullish trend. So long we have this strong momentum for bullish trend, we have to look out for more buys on the USDJPY. So let's look at the daily time frame of the USDJPY. On the daily time frame, so guys, let me pick this call. Let me pick this. So let's continue, guys. Let's continue. So we can see that the USDJPY on my daily time frame and the weekly time frame, the weekly is telling us to what to buy, but price currently on the resistance. Then on the daily time frame, there's a hold up here. You can see we have a hold up here already on the daily time frame. Which this hold up is telling us to wait for price to break above, then we start looking for a test for us to start looking for buys on the USDJPY. You can also see from the weekly time frame also, you can see that price is also telling us to wait, because price is telling us to wait on the weekly time frame. Because if you notice on the weekly time frame, there is a resistance on that weekly time frame where the current market price close on. We cannot buy on a resistance. We need to buy from what support. So that is why we need price to convert that particular resistance into a support for us to join the buys on the USDJPY. So for now, we stay out of USDJPY until we see a proper confirmation for us to join the USDJPY to the top, guys. So let's go to the next pair, which is gold. So let's look at the next movement on gold. I'm already out of my gold, so I have to delete that. So I don't have pairs position on gold anymore. So currently on gold, we can see we have series of higher lows on gold, which is our previous trend, which is we have this series of higher low, which is we have this higher low, then higher low. So now we have this series of higher low, and this particular level is a major structural break. Once we see price break below this level, this will trigger a major sales on gold, because this level is a major structural break on the gold USD. And the current trend on gold, you can see we have series of lower highs, and lower highs. So this series of lower highs signify a bearish trend for gold USD. So long we have this series of lower high, expect more of a selling opportunity on the gold USD. You can't trade against the higher time frame trend direction. This is very risky. By trading against the higher time frame trend, you are risking your hard-earned money. Please don't trade against the higher time frame direction. So let's look at the lower time frame, which is the daily time frame. But we are supposed to confirm the trend. We can confirm the trend from the monthly time frame. If the monthly supports this particular trend to make the price move very fast and move very well. So, but if you want to learn how to confirm this particular trend, you can book my one mentorship. The link is in the description below. Or you want to learn how to read the chart properly to make good profit from the market, you can also book my one-on-one mentorship. The link is in the description below. So on the daily time frame, you can see clearly that gold is currently on a support level now. We can't sell from this support. If you are selling from this support, you are risking your hard-earned money, guys. The only way area we can sell is this resistance area. We can't sell from this current support level. It's very, very risky. So I will advise you, wait for price to break below this level, then wait for a test, then start looking for your selling opportunity. So this is a safe area where you can sell gold to the downside. This is the only safe area, guys, where you can sell gold to the downside. So look out for those levels, then start to sell the gold to the downside. So I'm not a financial advisor, so apply wisdom while taking your decision on this. So let's look at the next pair, which is the US30. US30 on my weekly time frame, you can see we have a good momentum for bullish trend, series of higher lows, higher lows. So long we have this bullish momentum for uptrend, our aim is to look at for more buys on the US30. All we need is to wait for a test of this weekly zone, then we'll start looking for more buys. So we don't want to trade against the trend of the market on the weekly time frame. So we have to wait for price to give us a proper confirmation from this level for us to join the buys on the US30. So let's look at the daily time frame of the US30. So on my daily time frame, you can clearly see that there's a shift in trend building up on US30. We have a higher high and a lower high. So we need price to move to this level for us to start looking for buying opportunity on the US30 to the top. So we want price on this zone for us to start looking for that possible buying opportunity on the US30. So I don't support trading against the trend of the market, guys. So wait patiently for price to get into this zone, then we'll start looking for our possible buying opportunity for the US30. So let's look at the next pair, guys. Let's look at the next pair, which is BTCUSD. So guys, if you are joining us, please do to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you are joining us, please do to like and subscribe to the channel. Do well to like and subscribe, guys. Do well to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do well to like and subscribe to the channel. Do well to like and subscribe to the channel. So let's look at BTCUSD. The BTCUSD on my weekly time frame, you can see we still have a downtrend structure already. You can see we have lower highs, and price close on this resistance level. If price fail to break above this resistance, you shall start looking for possible sell for BTC to this next support area. So this is what we're expecting from the BTC USD. So we have to look at more sales for BTC to the downside. So let's look at the daily time frame of the BTC USD. So on the BTC, you can clearly see that on the daily time frame, we still have lower low and a series of higher lows. So, but we are currently dropping from this weekly level, which signifies where price is moving back to this support level, which signal that if price break that support, we might see heavy sell for BTC to the downside. So this is what we're expecting from the BTC USD, guys. This is what we're expecting from the BTC USD. You want to see price break below this level, expect a major sell for BTC to the downside. Guys, expect a major sell, guys. Let's look at the next pair, which is New Zealand USD. So New Zealand USD, we are currently on a range on the New Zealand USD. We are currently on a range on New Zealand USD. So we need price to take out this level. We need price to take out this level for us to start looking for possible sells. We need price to take out these highs for us to start looking for possible buys on New Zealand USD. So this is what we're expecting from the New Zealand USD, guys. This is what we're expecting. So take advantage of this. So we have to stay neutral on New Zealand USD until we get a clearer direction for sales on New Zealand USD. We have to wait patiently for clearer direction, guys. We have to wait patiently, guys, for clearer direction. Let's look at USDCAD, guys. USDCAD is one of my best pair to trade now. I'm currently on USDCAD. We can see price currently reacting to this weekly support zone. So why are we buying the USDCAD? You can see from my weekly time frame, we have price break out of a major structural level here. So this currently trend is a retest for us to start looking for more buys. So we are expecting our target with this first target, then second target will be this target for the New Zealand, for the USDCAD. So USDCAD remain bullish for now. So we are expecting price to close above that support level for us to add more positions on the buys on USDCAD. So let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we now have a bullish structure on the. You can see we have it's a downtrend structure on USDCAD, which is higher high, lower highs, and lower high, then a lower high. So this is very structure on the USDCAD. But we have the price setup already at this level, signaling a bullish move coming up for USDCAD. This is signaling we might be seeing price pushing higher from this level, but we need a weekly candle close to confirm this first before we start seeing the strong momentum for the buys on USDCAD. So let's look at more of the buying opportunity from the USDCAD this coming week. So guys, let's look at the USDCAD, guys. So USDCAD on my weekly time frame, you can see we have lower low, then higher low, then higher low. So this series of higher lows indicates strong bullish momentum for the USDCAD. You can also see that currently we have price on this zone, which is this resistance, this is a support zone, which is also a good level for us to buy the USDCAD to the top. So our aim now is to start looking for more buys for USDCAD to this first target level and our second target, which is this level. So expect more buys from the USDCAD this week, coming week. Expect more buys, guys. Expect more buys. Let's drop down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we can also see that we have a series of higher low already. So expect price to keep pushing higher for the USDCAD next week. Expect price to keep pushing higher for the USDCAD next week. So let's go straight to our trade of the week, which is the trade we are focusing attention on today is Euro USD. So let's go straight to Euro USD, guys. Let's go straight to Euro USD. So guys, on Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame, you can see there's a shift already in trend. You can see we have this higher high and a lower high. So this is a sign of a shift in trend for Euro USD. So all we need a break, then we'll test, then we'll start looking for more sales to this support. So this is what we're expecting from Euro USD now, guys. So let's keep selling Euro USD to the downside. If you're joining me, please do well to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do well to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're joining me, do well to like and subscribe to the channel. We are expecting more sales on USD, on the Euro USD, guys. If you have any question, do well to ask your question, guys. If you have any question, do well to ask your questions. Do well to ask your question, guys. If you have any question, so let's keep selling the USD, Euro USD, guys. Let's keep selling Euro USD to the downside. Sell more for the Euro USD. So expect more sales on the Euro USD. So let's look at the 4 hours, the Forex factory. If you have any confirmation for set today, let's look at the Forex factory, guys. If we have any strong economic data, so guys, still loading, guys. So on the Forex factory, we can see we don't have any clear We don't have any clear, strong economic data today. So expect a quiet market condition for today. Expect quiet market condition for today. I'm not expecting any high volatility for today, which is Friday. Friday market is always slow, so expect price to be cool and calm today. Expect price to be cool and calm today, guys. Expect price to be cool and calm today. So this is what we're expecting, guys. This is what we're expecting from Euro USD. So let's keep rolling in, guys. Let's keep rolling in. Let me play some music for you guys. Let me play some music for you guys. You deserve some music. Let me play some music for you guys. You deserve some music. So we are expecting strong bullish momentum, guys. So let's go, guys. Let's go. If you're joining us, guys, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe, guys, to the channel. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So let's go back to the gold USD. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So gold on the 4-hour time frame, the only area we can sell gold on the 4-hour time frame, which is this level. You have to look at for sales opportunity. You have to look at for sales from this level. So you might need gold to go up the way by next week to this level. Then we can start looking for more sales for gold to the downside. So this is the safest area to sell gold. So we have to look out for sales for gold for this from this area to the downside, guys. So this is the safest area to sell gold. So you're joining us, guys, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So we need to go to reverse back to this level. Here will be a good level to sell gold, because the current level we have on gold now, we see our price on its daily support. Then the other good level we can also sell gold. We need price to break below this level. Then we'll start looking for price to what to sell. So we need price to convert this particular support towards resistance. Then we can start looking for possible selling opportunity from that level, which will be a good area for us to sell to the downside for gold. For now, we can't sell gold from this level. We need price or resistance for us to sell. So that is what I'm currently waiting for, guys. For you joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel for you joining us. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe, guys, to the channel. Subscribe, support this channel with your like and your subscribe. Support the channel with your like and your subscribe. So we have to wait for gold to give us a good confirmation from a resistance level for us to sell. Not just a resistance level, we need a good resistance level for us to sell gold. We need a good resistance level for us to sell gold, guys. So expect price to give you that good resistance level for you to sell gold. So expect price to give you that good level. So that will be the safest area for you to sell gold. So if you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do it to like and subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Do it to like and subscribe, guys. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel if you're joining us. So we need gold to drop to a good area where we can start looking for our possible sales, guys. But I prefer selling from a resistance. I don't want to sell from a support level. I prefer to sell from a resistance level. So selling from a resistance level will be a safe area for me. So if you are still looking for selling opportunity around this level, just stay out of the sales. If you are still looking for sales opportunity around this level, you are risking your money. Expect price to come to a good resistance area for you to sell, or expect price to break below, then we start looking for the sales. So this is what we are expecting from gold, guys. What we are expecting from gold. So let's be patient, guys. Let's be patient, guys. So let's be patient. We still expect more sales from gold, but we need a confirmation. We can't just jump in because we want to sell gold. We need a confirmation, guys. We need a confirmation. So we have to be very patient and wait for the selling opportunity on gold. So we have to be patient, guys. We have to be patient to get that confirmation, then start looking for the sales on gold. So we have to be patient, guys. So patience is key. Patience is key, guys. So guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you already subscribe to the channel. So we wait for this our plan to play out before joining the gold sales. Let's wait for these plans to play out, guys. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame if there's any chances on the 1 hour time frame. You can see that gold is also pointing to that level. Also, this zone I also spotted on the 4 hour time frame, which which is this zone, is a good area for us to sell. So this is what gold is also telling us. Good area to sell is this zone. So we have to be patient, guys. We have to wait patiently for the level, for price to get to that level, first start looking for the sales, guys. So I'm still here, guys. I'm still here, guys. So I'm still here, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe. Let's subscribe to the channel. Support the growth of my channel, guys. You can also join me on my Euro USD sale. I'm going to sell any Euro USD. Join me on this sale, guys. Join me on Euro USD sale. So let's keep the sale rolling in on Euro USD. So expect more sale, guys, from Euro USD, guys. So expect price to keep dishing down. So you might be seeing a bit volatility from the US section, because the London section is very quiet. So long we have quiet London section, we might be seeing high volatility. Let's look at the pounds USD. So pounds, we can see currently pounds is currently trending down. So there's high chances of pounds still going down, guys. So we need price to. So price on the weekly have tested this level again. So price have tested this level again on the pounds. Stop. So we need price to drop back to this level back. So this is what we're expecting from pounds now. Back to this level again. The price break, we start looking for more sales. But price fail to break this level, this will trigger price back to the top. If price break this top, we look at for more back. So this is what we're expecting from the past now, guys. What we're expecting from the past USD. So let's keep selling. I'm currently selling the euro. I'm currently selling Australia. Australia is in good profit already. I'm currently selling the Australia. Yeah, again, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do it to like and subscribe. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Do it to like and subscribe, guys. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. You're joining us, please subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Again, please get to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel. We are currently trading Euro USD. We expect more sales, guys. This is swing trade setup, guys. We expect more sales on Euro USD. Then we'll be adding more position once we see price break out of this level, we add more position to see price breakout of this level. So next week we add more position to see a break of price below this level. Wait for setup for us to add more position to the downside for Euro USD. So with our target, we see have a long way to go for Euro USD. So we have our target at this area at 1.10727. So this is our overall target, but our second target, which is our first target, is 1.13163. This is our second target. So this is what we're expecting from Euro, guys. So you have to preserve your money, guys. Preserve your money. Go for a good setup. Don't trade every pair you see in this market. Trade the pair that are good with good setup. Trade pairs with good setup are the one you are supposed to trade. Don't trade pairs because you want to trade. Trade pairs with good setup and you enjoy trading. Value your capital, because without capital you cannot make money from this market, guys. Value your capital. Value your capital. You have to have capital preservation to make good money from this financial market. You need capital preservation. Trust me, guys, you need capital preservation to make good money from this market. If you don't have good capital, don't expect to make much from this market. So you need capital preservation to make money from this market. You need capital preservation, guys. You need capital preservation. So don't just trade every trade. So you need capital preservation, guys. So you need capital preservation. So let's expect more downtrend from this particular pair. Expect more downtrend from Euro USD, guys. Expect more downtrend. So patience is key, guys. If you're joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do well to like and subscribe to the channel. Do well to like and subscribe to the channel. Do well to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. So do well to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're joining us, subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're joining us, subscribe, guys. Subscribe. So expect price to keep pushing lower for Euro USD. Expect price to keep pushing lower for Euro USD, guys. Expect price to keep pushing lower. So we are patiently expecting drops on Euro USD. More drops, guys. More drops, more drop, Small drop, guys. So guys, let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling, guys. Let's keep it rolling. I see price is really moving to our direction. We are now in profits. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. So we are patiently waiting for gold to give us the setup. So let's look at gold, guys. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're joining us, subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. We are currently in massive profit now. We are currently in massive profit. We are currently in profit, guys. We are currently in profit of $60-something. So please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Do it to like and subscribe. Also share the live to others to get access to. Share the live. One thing I noticed about live, if you are selling the fake products, everybody will be at your doorstep. But if you are selling the right information, you will find no one be at your doorstep. Why? So please tell me, give me your reason in the chat box below. Why is people like fake things than the real thing stuff? Why people are more allergic to fake than the real stuff? Please give me your reasons in the chat box below. Please, guys, give me your reasons in the chat box. Why people are more attractive to the fake than the real? I need your answers in the chat box below, guys. Why people prefer the fake and leave the real stuff? So leave your so why guys? So they prefer to join the fake than to join the real stuff. So give me your reasons in the chat box below. Guys. So let's go, guys. A lot of people prefer the fake stuff. They prefer the fake lifestyle. They prefer the luxury lifestyle than the real stuff. Why? They prefer to stay unprofitable. They prefer to lose their hard-earned funds to the market. They prefer to follow a lifestyle content creator trader. Why not doing the right thing to become profitable as a trader? Why can't you do the right thing to become profitable? So why can't you follow the right strategy, the right set of traders to become profitable? Why do you prefer running after those guys that is after selling content, that is after your hard-earned funds? Why do you prefer that? Instead of you doing that, go for people with the right information, get the right stuff, transform your life. Transform your life, guys. All you have to do is transform your life. Don't waste your hard-earned money. Transform your life, guys. Transform your life. You can transform your life, guys. Don't waste your hard-earned money on wrong information in this market. So it's better to transform your life. Get the right information. If you are still struggling in your trading career, you can book my one-on-one mentorship. The link is in the description below. If you are still finding it difficult to make good money from this financial market, guys, book my one-on-one mentorship, guys. Book my one-on-one mentorship. The link is in the description below, guys. Book my one-on-one mentorship. You can see clearly Euro is dropping as expected, guys. Euro is dropping as expected. Euro is dropping as expected, guys. So you are still finding it difficult to make some good funds from this market, don't hesitate to book my one-on-one mentorship. The link is in the description below, guys. Book for my one-on-one mentorship, guys. The link is in the description below. So if you want to become a successful trader, all you need is the right information. All you need is the right information, guys. Don't over leverage. All you need is the right information. You can clearly see, yes, you can clearly see now that we have a good camera that is showing my face very clear, guys. So maybe as time goes on, we'll upgrade the camera to a modern one, to Sony. As time goes on, by the grace of God, we keep upgrading as time goes on. So one of the major factors, let's look at the major factors that keep traders poor. One of the major factors that keep a lot of traders remain broke in this financial market. We'll talk on 5 factors. 5 factors that keep traders broke. That keep traders broke. That keep forex traders broke. So one of the factors is not having the right information. So not having the right information is one factor that keeps a lot of traders still struggling in this financial market. We have a lot of traders pretending. Most of the influencers are pretending to be a profitable trader, whereas they are not a profitable trader. Trust me. A lot of traders are pretending to be a profitable trader, guys. A lot of traders are pretending to be a good trader, but they are not profitable because they are working with the wrong information. They are only selling lifestyles to you. A lot of them are selling lifestyles to you, guys, which is the false narrative. And a lot of people believe on the false narrative, which is the selling of fake lifestyles. That is what is trending. People prepare to buy the fake lifestyle than doing the right thing to become profitable. So a lot of people prefer to join the fake lifestyle than to do the right thing to become profitable. So, and once you don't have the right information, don't expect any good result from this financial market. Expect the financial market to collect your hard-earned money because you are not fit enough to become a good trader. Because the information you carry is what makes you fit in this financial market. The information you carry is what will make you fit to become profitable in this financial market. The right information you carry is what will make you fit and reliable that will make you profitable in this financial market. Without the right information, you keep struggling in this financial market. So without the right information, expect to keep losing your hard-earned money. Keep giving your money to the market, guys, because this market is you against you. The market is you against you, guys. Note that in your mind. Nobody is holding you. It's you against you yourself. So the number one factor that's holding a lot of traders broke in this financial market is what? Knowledge, which is the right information. To seek knowledge with all costs, seek knowledge with all costs to become profitable. Seek knowledge with all costs to become profitable. Get access to good mentorship. Get access to good mentorship. To get access to good mentorship are ways that will save you to become profitable. Access to good mentorship, guys, is what will save you to become profitable. And if you want to get a mentor, don't go for mentors with flashy lifestyle. Get a mentor that you follow the process of the mentor for a long time, and you also follow follow a mentor that usually posts trade and that you have followed for the period of 3 to 4 months. Follow mentors with good track record. You can track a mentor even through his channel. You can know that this with his YouTube channel, you know that this mentor is a good mentor. It's not a scammer. Because a lot of people are falling victim of scam mentors, telling false information to you guys. To open your eyes clearly to search a good mentor, because what you might need to become profitable in this financial market might be a good mentor. So lack of knowledge is what holding a lot of people back from not becoming profitable in this financial market. So let's look at the second factor that holds a lot of traders. Let's look at the second factor holding a lot of traders not being profitable. The second factor is trading the lower time frame. Trading the lower time frame, which is also called high frequency trading. If you are trading the lower time frame, it's also called high frequency trading, which is day trading. From statistics, only 2.5% of day traders make money. From the current statistics of the current latest statistics now, because of the high education and a lot of information about Forex, so the statistics of Forex profitable traders have moved from 5% to 87%, which is it has moved from 5% to 13%. So 13% of traders are currently 30.5%, 30.6% of traders are currently making money from the market. So the balance 87.something% are not making money from the market. And from the statistics, it was classified that only 1.9% or 2.1% are making money as a day trader. The balance traders that are making money are all swing traders, all position traders. So if you are a trader and you are still day trading, my guy, go and look for something else to do. Most of the day traders, they are not profitable. I don't say all. Most of day traders are not profitable. Trust me. Tell them to show their history. They are trading their long-term trading history. Let's say period of 6 months, 3 months, not 1 month. At the long run, they are not profitable. Day traders are not profitable at the long run, guys, because they involve themselves in high frequency trading, which is the trading the lower time frame. It's called high frequency trading. So I'd encourage you guys to involve yourself in doing that. So go for proper information, the right information that will make you become profitable, guys. Seek for knowledge, guys. Seek for knowledge. That is what you need, guys. Seek for knowledge. If you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, guys. If you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you are just joining us, do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe, guys. If you are just joining us, do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. So why have you not subscribed to the channel, guys? Guys? So let's go to the next, which is the third part. Which is number 3 factors that's keeping traders broke. The third factor that is keeping a lot of traders broke is over leveraging. over leveraging. Over leveraging. So what's the meaning of over leveraging on your trading account? Let's say you are a trader and you have a $20 account or you have a $1,000 account. Once you take high full margin on a $1,000 account, that is over leveraging. You are already stressing that particular account. Once you have a $1,000 in your account and you are risking 50% on that account, you are over risking already. Trust me, you are over risking already. If you have a $50 account and you are risking $20 on a trade, guy, you are over risking already. So it's not encouraging to over risk in this financial market. So over risking is one factor that keep a lot of traders broke. Over risking. When you risk too much, not even over trading, you risk too much. You have no reason to take a trade. You just take trade unnecessarily. You take trade because you want to trade. Your dopamine tells you to trade, you just jump in. So those are the factors that keep a lot of traders broke in this financial market. Over risking, you over leverage. You take high loss size. You said you want to make mama proud. Why will you make mama proud? Why? Let mama survive on his own. A lot of traders don't want to follow the right process to become consistent, profitable trader. They don't want to follow the right process, the right steps. Profitability comes with the steps, not with high levels of, not with high risk. It comes with a level of steps. So high leverage is over risking. When you're over stressing your account, when the funds in your account is not enough, when you're over stressing your account is high leveraging. How do you survive over leveraging? Get a proper risk management, guys. Get a proper risk management. Have a risk plan. Like for me, I have a risk plan on my account. I have a risk plan. I don't over trade. I know I don't over risk. I know how much I'm risking per trade. You must have a fixed risk, guys. You must have a fixed risk. Don't over trade, guys. Always have a fixed risk. Don't over trade. One of the major factors that keep a lot of traders broke is over risking. Don't over risk. Always have a fixed risk. Have a risk plan, guys. The main thing is to have a risk plan. Always plan your trade and trade according to your plan. So you must have a plan. You must have a risk plan, guys. You must have a risk plan. You don't need to trade everything you see in this financial market, guys. You must have a risk plan. So that is what is sustaining to become profitable, guys. You must have a risk plan so that at the long run you become profitable. You must have a risk plan, guys, so that at the long run you become profitable. So stay away from over trading and have a proper risk plan to your trading, guys. Stay away from over trading and have a proper risk plan to your trading. Let's say, for example, how do you manage your risk? Let's say you have a $1,000 account. You can risk 1% of that account per trade, which is $10, or you can risk the maximum $2% of that account per trade, which is $20. So if you are risking $20 on a $1,000 account, it's not a bad choice. It's a good choice, guys. A good choice. So go for low risk, guys. Go for low risk. Always plan your trade. Always plan your trade. Always plan your trade. Before taking any trade, plan the trade and have a risk plan before taking any trade. So those are the things that will sustain you to become a profitable trader. Always plan your trade and have a risk plan. Plan your trade and have a risk plan. Then let's look at the fourth factor that keep traders broke. Not having a trade plan. Not having a trade plan. Not having a trade plan can also keep a trader broke, because a lot of traders have been trading for years. They don't have a trade plan. They move from one strategy to another strategy. Once this strategy fails, they move from that particular strategy to another strategy. That is a trader that doesn't have a trade plan. A trader with a proper trade plan will not move from strategy to strategy, because a trader with a right trade plan, we know that sometimes the market do fail. Sometimes your strategy will fail, but that doesn't mean that the strategy is not working. So that is why you must have a risk plan, because your strategy is not 100% fixed, it's not 100% accurate. So your strategy is not 100% accurate. So as a trader, you must have a risk plan. You must plan your trade. You must plan your trade. You must have to work with your trade plan, not jumping from trade plan to another trade plan, not moving from strategy to strategy. So those are the things that keeps a lot of traders broke in this financial market. Once one strategy is not working, they are moving to the next strategy. Once the next strategy is not working, they are moving to the fourth strategy. Once that one is not working, they are moving to the fourth strategy. So those are the things that keeps a lot of traders being broke in this financial market, guys. Those are the things that keep a lot of traders broke in this financial market. Trust me. Those are the things that keep a lot of traders broke in this financial market. So have a proper trade plan and follow the trade plan. Stick to them, guys. Stick to your trade plan, guys. All you need to become profitable, to become successful in this financial market, you need to have a trade plan and stick to them. Don't trade because you want to trade. Trade because the trade plan fits your requirement for you to trade. So that is how you can sustain yourself to become a profitable trader. Trading is not a do or die affair where you must trade every single day. If you are trading every single day, it shows that you are not capable enough to become a good trader. If you are having new entries every day as a trader, you are not good enough. That strategy is not working well. So always have a good trade plan, guys. Have a good trade plan. Have a good trade plan. If you are a trader and you are still struggling to have a good trade plan, you can book my one-on-one section. The link is in the description below, where we teach you the right way to analyze the chart, where we teach you risk management and trade plan and risk plan for you to become profitable in the long run. So book for that section in the link in the description below. Value your precious money. Don't risk all your hard-earned money because you want to trade. Don't risk your hard-earned money because you want to trade. That money you are supposed to waste to the market, take it and get a mentor. Use that money to get a mentor. Don't waste your money. Get a mentor instead of wasting that money on a trade. Get a mentor, guys. Get a mentor. Get a mentor, guys. If you have not get a mentor, get a mentor. So if you don't have a mentor, get a mentor. You can book my one-on-one mentorship, 2-month teaching and 6-month mentorship. You can get that. The link is in the description below. So get a mentor, guys. So do what the market requires for you to become profitable. Don't trade because you want to become profitable. Follow your trade plan to become profitable, guys. You have to follow your trade plan to become profitable. Don't chase the market, guys. Don't chase the market. Don't chase the market. Don't chase the market. So all you need to become profitable is inside you already. The skills, all the requirements for you to become a profitable trader is already inside you. All you have to do is to work it out. All you need is to work it out, guys. Have a good trade plan and stick with your trade plan, which is your strategy. Stick with them.